am pleased to welcome Spartanburg County District 7 Superintendent Jeff Stevens for the welcome.
Followed by Jakeem Fortson performing Rise Up.
Hello everyone, and thank you Ellen and Ford, and as the guy behind me said, Barry White has nothing on Ford now. I said I'll go with that. Hello everyone, my name is Jeff Stevens, and I am extremely proud to be the Superintendent of Spartanburg School District 7. And on behalf of our Board of Trustees tonight, we would like to welcome you to the beautiful District 7 Fine Arts Center. Opportunities like this to bring our community together and bring you into District 7, that's exactly the vision that we had for this campus and facility moving forward. We are deeply honored to be here tonight and to have you here to celebrate the life and work of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Our theme this year in Spartanburg School District 7 is I Belong in 7. We chose it for several different reasons, but most importantly because the single greatest strength of this school district is the sense of belonging, of being family, that enables us to make a difference in the lives of our students and the families we serve. I Belong reminds us that there is a place for every individual, for every talent, every ability, every dream, every background, and every perspective in School District 7. As you enter the Fine Arts Center this evening, you were greeted by our Forward Together sculpture out front. And if you did not see that, I hope you will take the opportunity to see it as you are leaving. And so I had a conversation with a young man outside who wanted to know what is the empty seat for. I said, if you'll give me about 3.5 minutes at the beginning of the program, I'll be sure to tell you what that seat is for. Because that entire sculpture was created for the entire community of Spartanburg. Commissioned by District 7 and gifted by the family of Don Bain, who chaired our Board of Trustees during the integration of Carver High School and the former Evans High School to create the Spartanburg High School that we know today. The Forward Together sculpture provides a unique opportunity to lift up District 7's history so that it will never be forgotten. It honors the struggles and successes that have shaped this entire community. And it summons new generations to find their place in our circle of humanity. It is part of the legacy of former District 7 Superintendent Dr. Russell Booker, who convened our students and Spartanburg community members to take part in its conception and naming. Created by Maria Kirby Smith, a prominent South Carolina sculptor, Forward Together is unlike any other piece of artwork in our Spartanburg community. It speaks to the integration of black and white students and to the weaving together of our two high schools by lifting District 7's history out of the pages of a book so our children can see what we've accomplished over time. It paints a vivid picture of the values we prize. Equally important, it calls new generations to further their commitment to building community. Each figure in the sculpture was inspired by students from decades past. One from Evans High School in 1930, one from Carver High School in 1938, one from Spartanburg High School in 1964, and yet another from our fully integrated Spartanburg High School of 1970. As these students' worlds come together within this circle, we recognize that our work is not done. And that is why an empty bench completes this circle. This bench is an invitation for each of us to take our place so that the circle will be complete. So there's the answer. The sculpture is an invitation. It is an invitation for you, and it is an invitation for me. And so I thank you for allowing me to share that story with you about the Forward Together sculpture. And thank you for the many ways that you, as a Spartanburg community, partner with all of our school districts to help to make sure that each child develops their unique talents and abilities. When we all work together, our collective efforts help them reach their full potential. With that, I say welcome, and I hope that you enjoy tonight's Unity celebration. Thank you.